Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a monumental day here at Model Car Videos studio. I knew this was going to happen. Obviously I had part of it. I was in getting something together, but I made it in the Model Cars magazine, even if it's not one of my builds. Well, actually a couple of my builds are in it, but they're not like showcased. But anyway, it's about my channel. And I am just absolutely thrilled. I think this is the coolest thing since sliced bread. And I can think of a lot more things that are cooler than sliced bread though, because I mean, really, who came up with that? I mean, there wasn't a lot going on whenever they're talking about like better than sliced bread. But anyway, yeah, so Model Cars magazine episode issue 217. Just got it in the mail today. Haven't even opened it. I can't wait because I'm gonna do this on camera. But I just want to share it with you guys, like this excitement that I've got right now. Although again, I knew it was going to be in there, to really see it. And my friend Brian Burwell, he got his edition yesterday, and on the Facebook group, if you hadn't been there already, Model Car Videos Facebook group, go check it out, linked in the description below. He had already got his edition, and he had it opened, and he took a picture of it, put it on Facebook. I thought, man, that's so cool. I can't believe I see myself in a magazine. Even if I'm in the background or something, that would be cool. So they showcased my channel. Showcased. They, well, maybe I don't even know if that's the right word. So where did that word even come from? They spotlighted or chose. They gave me a bigger spot. Man, I was like, yes. But there are other channels in there with me to get that probably should have been showcased over me, but they chose to do me, and I was like, man, that is so cool, so special. Thank you, Model Cars magazine, so much. Thank you, Tim. You know who you are. Tim helped me with this article. Probably got a little frustrated with me because I'm a redneck that has terrible grammar and does not understand what third person and all that stuff is. But anyway, thank you, Tim, so much for helping me with this article. But anyway, I'm gonna get this open and I'm gonna look at it for myself on real paper. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, so here is the coolest magazine ever made, in my opinion. Issue 217 from Model Cars magazine. But first, got one thing first. I have a friend up in New Hampshire. I have a friend up in New Hampshire. He sent me a package. Got it today. That doesn't sound like New Hampshire at all. Sorry. Ryan Hanscom, or son of the Blue Ox Model Shop, 603 Model Works, sent me something in the mail today, and I'm very shocked. I was very surprised. Thank you so much. He sent me this. So, isn't that cool? Actually, Ryan, you won't believe this. At man, there's a loud truck outside. I am too close to the highway. There he goes. Okay. At the Southlands model show that I went to down in Largo, Florida, I was looking through the vendor section and I saw one of these, and I almost bought it. It's in the video. So if you hadn't seen that, go back, check the video, because I saw one of these and I'm like, that was that kit that he had. So Ryan got a stash from the Classic Plastic, which just so happens to be in this magazine model show. And this was one of his haul, one that I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that Ryan got this in his haul. And I was joking with him. He sent me a picture of it, and I said, I'll take the Mustang. And man, Ryan, you didn't have to do this, buddy, but I appreciate it. I really do. I'll send something your way. Great guy. But I want to know one thing. Mr. 603 Model Works that sent this. Where's your videos, man? Where's the videos? We got subscribers waiting for videos. Get the videos out, buddy. Okay? All right, there. And he also sent me a Maine license plate. I don't know whose car this came off of. But they sold the car, got rid of it 19. So anyway, a Maine license plate. He lives up near Maine. I like license plates. I've got several on the door of my shop, and he sent me this awesome 1969 MPC Mustang Mach 1. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate it. All right, let's get down to business. Let's see what's in here. I've got to open her up. Well, that didn't work. Man, that must be a really dull X-Acto or some bad to the bone plastic. There we go. All right, get it out, Matthew. All right. So, I may go through this book a little bit, but I can't wait to see myself. Where's it at? Right. I don't have a clue where this thing's at. I think we're getting close, though. Just have a feeling, because I'm getting closer to the front. There it is. There it is. Oh, man. See, I can't tell how bright this is, but probably so bright you can't see it. So, yeah, man, I'm so excited. This is the neatest thing ever. It's almost like looking at myself. So, a couple of pictures of my builds. So my builds actually did. There's my olds, and Fred Henry. Your name made it in here too, buddy. There you are, right there, Fred Henry. But yeah, I just thought this was the coolest thing ever. I am so thrilled. If you can't tell, I'm excited about this. Then you got Hobby Dude 007, HPI Guy, Kenji's Plastic Models, and Model Car Muse. These guys really probably should have had the whole section like me, but thank you, Model Car Magazine, for allowing me to be on here. Even if it was the smaller one, I would have been absolutely thrilled. So thank you so much. This is a ultra cool magazine, and I can't wait to check out the Jägermeister race car, and just, I know Tim Brown's probably going to do a review of the magazine. He did the last 2 issues, and I don't want to steal any of his thunder or anything like that, but I am just absolutely dumbfounded that a redneck that had been out of the hobby for so long, and it's not like I'm an extremely good builder. I don't think that's even the reason that they allowed me to be in this magazine, because obviously it's not showcasing my builds. It was just a channel surfing article. It was just, hey guys, if you hadn't seen these guys on YouTube, go check them out. And I can't believe it. So as I'm flipping through this, still just in amazement that it made it to the house, and I'm really in it. My ultimate goal would be to be in a magazine, with a car showcase. Wouldn't that be awesome? Something like this. But yeah, when you make it into a magazine, as a builder, you've really done something. And maybe one day I'll get to that level. I'd like to. I don't want to take the fun out of it, the wind out of my sail, or anything like that, to try to be something that's beyond my fun level or limit. I don't want to take the fun out of it, but I would, it would be cool. And I think they'll have an edition, maybe it'll be next edition, that will have the Southern Nationals Acme, maybe, and get to see Ruthie's car. I hope it's in there. That would be ultra cool to have Ruthie in an actual magazine. The picture that was in the fine scale modeler, I think that may come out next year, late, like fall of next year, and I think she may make it into that. She did on the online, but I think they have the car show cars or whatever, and I think she may make it into that. But anyway, big shout out to Model Cars Magazine. Thank you so much for the opportunity. If you are interested in a copy or interested in subscribing, it's modelcarsmag.com right there. See that? modelcarsmag.com. You can get them online solely. You can get them online and in print, or so they've got it worked out where you can see them on your computer, and you can zoom in on their ultra high quality on the computer. So great stuff. Thank you, Model Cars Magazine. Thank you to Ryan Hanscom. Appreciate it, buddy. I can't wait to see look at this thing, open it up and check it out. I do appreciate you thinking about me, and I'll get something sent your way, promise. And anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. If you guys have not supported me for so Long now, so long. Well, Matthew, 3 years is not that long. You know, a 3-year-old baby's still a little baby. But anyway, okay, so 3 years, I'm still a baby as far as the YouTube thing goes. But anyway, thank you for your support thus far. And if it hadn't been for you, I'd never made it. Even they would have not even thought, hey, what about that guy? And I'm so thankful to all of you. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks again to Model Cars Magazine for allowing me to be in your magazine. It's a very much of a privilege and an honor. All right, guys, so don't forget to go check out Hobby Nut Models, linked in the description of this video, as well as the Spring Store, the Patreon group, and the Facebook group. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever it may be when you see this video. And I can't wait to go show this to my family. All right, guys, I gotta go. See you. Bye.